It is 6:10 p.m. this evening. We got the summer on that point, and I'm not sure what's the symbol on this train. No, so we'll have to dispatch next to that answer. Over. 123-24-47. We're doing another. Let's go next. Over.
Okay, they plan on splitting this thing up in pieces. I have no idea. If that is the plan, I prefer to go down the main first to set the DP off and then handle the switch. I mean, the main is not available, but you can convey that message to the yard master. Okay, that's just one last time I've talked to you to read it's easier on those stuff. Yeah, I get it, but, it just depends on, I don't know what he's doing, what he wants. Alright, I understand, I think here we go.
The dispatcher checks about 10-4. Over there now. 27 ammo tower out. Alright, we got the r123-27 eastbound, loaded coal trailer shoppers. It is on its way to the destination to the Grafton Yard, heading east. I mean 2. Let's check it out. Here we go. DBU, I see you. Similar train CSX R123-27. Eastbound loaded coal train of helpers. That train originates from the Robinson Run, the mine near Lumberport, near Cheston, West Virginia. Heads east to Grafton, West Virginia, where it terminates at the Grafton Yard on this Monday. On this holiday, on this Cyber Monday, Railfan weekend, on Monday, November 27th, 2023. For Josh right now, my YouTube channel. This is Josh from your local Railfan hotspot, and we are out. Here goes the next video. Roll 'em. DBU, I see you.